You see it. You still got that motherfucking mask on. You did.
It's today.
Nigga, it's live right now.
Brooklyn, New York.
What part? He ain't from Brooklyn. He's Brooklyn in the house. He ain't from Brooklyn. What part?
Bed-Stuy.
Oh, where in Bed-Stuy? And I used to live in Putnam and Franklin.
Oh, I live the other.
Live in Crown Heights. So what brought you here to DC?
My husband, my civil engineering.
Live shit.
At Busboys and Poets.
I like the Busboy. And
he's being as well. I'm from New York. I know all about Trump.
Right, you're from New York. Let's see what the people in the chat saying. What are you civil engineering? That's what's up. Have you heard of Carmelo Anthony?
Yes. Which one are you talking about? The basketball player or the one in Texas?
Well, which one you want to talk about? You like basketball?
A little, yeah.
Well, which one you want to talk about?
I assume you want to talk about the gentleman in Texas who's going to fry.
You think he's going to fry?
Yep.
Why?
Because he killed the white guy. That's simple.
But what do you think about?
Do I think that's fair? No. But that's what generally happens in the U.S. today.
Do you think it's self-defense?
Yes, I do, but I'm sure it won't be seen that way.
Do you think? How did you find out about this?
I read it online somewhere.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
There's so many people who asked about it did not know anything about it.
Not surprising.
What do you think about the amount of money that he was able to raise?
I didn't know about how much money he raised, so I can't.
But this is your first time hearing about that?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay, wow. So you didn't donate, I guess?
No, I did not. I didn't know anything about it.
Really?
Nope.
So how much do you know about the case?
I know that...
Because you condemned him to death, right?
No, because it happened in Texas, and they like to do that there. And two, excuse me, the gentleman was being...
That was her just coughing that motherfucking mask. Look at this shit. She coughed right into that motherfucker, then she gonna pull it up. Watch.
Excuse me.
God, buddy.
The gentleman was being harassed by another person.
The young man, right?
Mr. Anthony was being harassed.
God almighty, black lady coughs in mask. I gotta clip that. Masked woman coughs into her mask. Wow, that is amazing. Yeah, I gotta put that on. I gotta clip that right now. You gotta give me a minute. I gotta clip that right there. That motherfucker did let one go into that bitch. Yes, she did. Yes.